Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, then welcome. My name is Sarah and I'm going to be doing a review on one of the unboxings that I did a few weeks ago. The box is A Good Hair Day of Seoul. This is from Amma Beauty and it was gifted to me, and I've been using the products for about like 2.5 weeks now, and I'm here to give you a full review on the box but also the individual contents in the box as well. So let's get started. So you can buy this box at Costco for $99.99. It comes with 7 different products. They're all full size and they're all from Korea. So let me just get into what's in the box. So if you look at the back, you can see. So you have the AMH shampoo, 2 basic products. This is the purifying scalp scrub, and this is the damage repair treatment mask, and then 2 Moremo products, the hair essence delightful oil, the revitalizing hair tonic A, and the Amos professional repair shine enriched night cream, and then 1 brush, White Rabbit volumizing airbrush. So I've tried all of these. I've tried it with my husband as well, and I feel like he has a pretty good grasp on what he likes. So I'll also add it in his review as well. All right. So let me get started with the shampoo. This is the AMH Add More Hair shampoo. I really like the shampoo. It's so refreshing and mentholy, and it smells great. It foams up really nicely, and it feels like my hair is super clean, but not squeaky clean. That it feels super dry. And it just rinses really well as well. And my husband really likes this too. If he says again, it feels very cooling, and he just feels super awake after he uses this. And so I would buy this individually if I could, in Korea. I don't know, I couldn't find their, Instagram, but I'm sure they have. Oh, they have a website here, of course. So www.amhshampoo.com. So yeah, I would totally buy this again. It was really pleasant to use. Again, it lathers well, rinses off well, and it gives your scalp a very cooled and refreshed feeling. I can't wait to use this in summer when it's going to be super sticky and hot, and I feel like it'll be a nice treat to my scalp. Final verdict, shampoo, I like. Get it if you can get it by itself. But in the box, I feel like it was a nice choice. All right, let's go to the next product, which is the basic tubs here. Sorry, they're a little bit wet because I just popped them out of the shower. But again, you get Basic 29, which is the Scalp Revival Purifying Scrub, and then the Basic 30, which is the Damage Repair Treatment Mask. Both of them are 6.9 ounces or 200 milliliters, so you do get quite a bit in these tubs. So let me just start out with the Scalp Purifying Scrub. So this, when I first used it, I thought it was going to be just like this gel scrub that you use on your scalp. But it's actually kind of like a shampoo. It it lathers up into a shampoo form, and then you just rinse it out. I liked it, but I feel like the salt granules that are in here, it's hard to get onto your scalp because it's like a gel. It's like a thick gel, so that it doesn't go into your scalp very easily. You'll have to separate out sections of your hair and then just kind of apply it that way. And I feel like sometimes it's a bit scratchy in my opinion. So it's not my favorite, but it's definitely an interesting product. So let me just show you. It's very, very thick. And I don't know if you can see the salt granules in there. But yeah, I feel like if you have shorter hair, it might be nicer to use. I think my husband used it and he said it was I don't know what he said, but I think he said it was okay. But for me, I feel like it was just kind of like an okay product. I don't think I would go, I don't know. I don't know if I would like use this. I don't think I would need this. I will use it because I have it now, but I don't think I will need this because I feel like the shampoo gives me like a good scrub anyway. So I guess I would only use this if I'm feeling like extra disgusting on my scalp. But other than that, I don't think I would reach for this very often. And you know, you're only supposed to use it like I think 2 to 3 times a week or something. Or maybe you can use it every day. Let me see. Well, it doesn't say that you can't use it every day, so maybe you can. But it is vegan and cruelty-free. It doesn't have any alcohols or synthetic fragrances or dyes, parabens, silicones. Oh, it says ideal to use once or twice a week with as an exfoliating shampoo. All right, so if you have especially oily or sensitive hair, then this is a great product for you to use. For me, it was okay. Not like amazing, but it was not bad. Not bad. Okay. And it has, what is it? Coffee bean extract. So there's that. The other basic product is the treatment mask. This is the damage repair treatment mask. Again, this one was not bad either. I don't think it was my favorite. I think the packaging of these two are really, really nice. But again, the products inside, I was kind of like a little bit, not disappointed, but I was just kind of like, oh, it's okay, it's nice. That kind of feeling, you know what I mean? So this one also has coffee bean oil, argan oil, coconut oil to deeply repair and nourish the hair. You do have to wait 10 to 20 minutes. So for me, like I don't like to be in my bathroom for just waiting for this. Like for me, like when I take a shower, I come out as fast as I can. Because I don't know. Unless I'm doing like a body scrub or whatever, but yeah, I don't know. Just waiting for that long. And I don't like Korean bathrooms aren't like built like US bathrooms where you can kind of like lay in your bathtub. Like the bathroom that I have, we have no tub. It's just kind of like a standing shower. So you just have to like stand there for 20 minutes. And for me to just like come out, dry off, and put like a towel on my head with a treatment mask, I feel like that's just kind of like a waste of time for me. Especially when I just like want to come home, take a shower, and just go to bed straight away. So I would say that this is like a weekend product. Definitely once a week. That's all you need. And I didn't really feel like my hair felt like extremely soft or silky after using it. It was just kind of like, oh, like a regular regular conditioner. So I don't know. Yeah, like the look and like the aesthetic of the product packaging is really nice, but I think the products inside were a little lackluster for me and for my opinion. But yeah, let's go to the next two products here. This is the Moremo Hair Essence Delightful Oil, and this is the Revitalizing Hair Tonic A. These two are so good. I love these two things. The Moremo hair oil feels super, super light and moisturizes the ends of my hair. I like to use it right after like heat styling, or like when my hair is kind of like slightly damp after I like blow dry it. So it's just really, really nice. What kind of oils does this have? Let me see. It has this thing called NOC-8, Nutrition Oil Complex 8. So it has 8 different kinds of vegetable oils. So it has Brazil nut oil, desert oil, I don't know what that is. Olive oil, camellia oil, argan oil, almond oil, and macadamia nut oil, and avocado oil. So again, all of these, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, which is really, really nice. So I'll just like put it a little bit on my hand, and then I'll like rub it up to warm it up, and then I'll just kind of brush through the like from here down, and then whatever is left on my palms, I'll just kind of like smooth out like on top. So yeah, I definitely like this. And then the next one is the hair tonic. This one is so cool and like literally cool. And refreshing to use. I feel like when my scalp is irritated, or if I have some kind of like itch, or I feel like there's like one of those like scalp pimples coming on, I'll just kind of like spray this through just everywhere, and then just rub, and then there's like this cool mentholy feeling just all over my scalp, and it just feels so nice. And you can use this throughout the day. It doesn't give you any kind of stickiness or like heaviness in your hair. It like evaporates pretty quickly. And you know, especially right now when there's seasonal change, I feel like my scalp gets a lot of help with like dealing with dryness with this hair tonic. So I really, really like this. Yeah. So you can use this after you wash your hair, or throughout the day, even when your hair is dry. So definitely one of my favorites in the box. All right, and then the second to last one is the Amos Professional Repair Shine Enrich Night Cream. I thought that this was going to be way too heavy for like my hair. Like I already have kind of like dry, like I don't know, it's like sometimes dry, sometimes oily scalp, but I was just like, oh, is this gonna like really drag down my hair? It's gonna feel really heavy the next morning. But to my surprise, I think this is one of my favorite. Like if I had to choose out of all of these three, I would just pick this one. This is so nice. Like I feel like the next morning my hair felt so soft and shiny and silky. I would definitely buy like a ton of these. Yeah, it was just so nice. So after you shower and you towel dry your hair, you'll pump like maybe 1 or 2 depending on the length of your hair, and then you just kind of like massage it into your strands, and then you just sleep. And the next morning it's like so soft and so silky. I was like super amazed. Yeah, so I definitely would buy this individually. And I'm kind of sad that I just got to know about this. But anyway, this is, what does it have? It has Borago officinalis seed oil. So I think that's just borage? No, just kidding. Starflower oil. I think that might be just borage oil. But yeah, so it's very high in hydration and also antioxidants. It helps to smooth and seal hair cuticles and creates a lightweight shield around each strand to lock in hydration. So again, you know, this is for like really dry hair. Maybe you heat style it like every day or every other day, or your hair is like prone to tangles. You can use this product to help soften and like kind of smooth out your cuticles so that they tangle less and it's easy to brush out. So definitely I love this hair mask. Yeah. All right. And then the next one is, or the last one is the brush. This is the brush from White Rabbit. From my initial unboxing, I was kind of like disappointed that it was a brush, because I'm like, it's just a brush. Everyone has a brush. Like, I don't think I've ever bought a brush. It's like either something that your mom like just passes on to you, or you kind of like find a brush. But anyways, so I was kind of like, oh, it's a bit disappointing. It's just a brush. But I started to use it. I started to use it after I shampooed, or I like washed my hair when it was wet, and it's like the best brush that I've used. Like, it's so nice. Like, even when it's wet and like all like, you know, kind of like bunched up, like I'll just go like this, and then without any tugging, like it will just kind of brush through my hair. And so it's really nice, and it has these like grooves in there, so it kind of like helps to like I don't know, volumize or like separate the hair so that each like section can be like more fluffy. Overall, I like this brush. I will continue to use it. It feels really nice. The plastic is like a soft, velvety feeling plastic. Yeah, and it doesn't cause any static in your hair. I think it, you know, helps to detangle and just kind of give your hair a little bit of that fluffy volume. So yeah, and it's very lightweight too. Yeah, so yeah. Anyway, so overall, I think this box is totally worth the $99 or $100 with whatever tax is in the States. I don't know. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this box. Again, I would say like, you know, 80% of the box like I really like, and then the rest 20 are okay. And I'm talking about, you know, these two products here. Really pretty packaging, very aesthetically pleasing. They smell great. They feel fine, but like just the use of it, and then just the results afterwards were just kind of just okay for me. Yeah, so that's just my opinion. But the sleeping mask, the hair oil, the scalp tonic, and the shampoo were all really great. I would, you know, buy separately all of those products after I use all of them. But I would say that, you know, this box is a really great sampler of, you know, Korean hair care. And, you know, it's very focused on taking care of your scalp as well. So I feel like even those of you who aren't really into like, you know, styling your hair, if you want to keep on having like healthy hair, you know, scalp care is really important. And, you know, like your skin on your body or on your face, like, you know, your scalp needs to be healthy to grow healthy hair. So I think it's a great box. Definitely well curated, and I think for the price you're getting a great deal. So yeah, I would totally recommend this, and if you can snag one from Costco, then you should. But yeah, they have more information and all of the materials online at Costco.com, so I think you can kind of take a gander yourself and then decide whether you want to purchase or not. Yeah, so I think that's the end of my review, and I hope that you thought it was helpful in helping you decide whether to get it or not. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please do. I would love to have you come back again. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!